All right, so we're back, and these are the jungle animals that you're going to be decorating your cupcakes. So, in the directions, before you can start decorating, you need to do what's called your mise en place of your frostings. So, you will be able to make a zebra, this is the tiger, a monkey, and then this is a lion. Now, as you can see, they have like candy decorations. The recipe that I'm giving you is written so you can actually just pipe all of this. So if you do have access to candy or whatnot, you can use that. But I have the directions written that you would just pipe it. The demo I'm showing you, on further decoration, it has them doing candy, but you can decide what you want. All right. So here's how you're going to prep. So the first one we're going to prep is the tiger. This is the tiger. Okay, so kind of looks like a cat. And it will tell you, right, tiger decorations. You need a half cup of vanilla frosting. So now here's where there's a little bit more variation. I bought pre-made chocolate, and then I made vanilla frosting and divided it up. If you want to save on time, and honestly, it's cheap to buy pre-made frosting because I just got this at Aldi for like 89 cents. I would buy two to three of these, depending on how many cupcakes you are decorating, of the vanilla, and then I would buy one chocolate. All right. So I have divided this because I'm going to dye it, and you will need some assorted food coloring. All right. So for the tiger, I need a regular orange, I need a light orange, and then I need a dark, like chocolate brown. All right. So you need a half cup of vanilla frosting, which you are going to divide into two different bowls. And for your first bowl, this is my vibrant orange. All right. So the recipe calls for 6 drops of orange. Well, when I bought my assorted color pack, I only have red and yellow, which, if you remember from art class, makes orange. So I did 3 drops of red and 3 drops of yellow. Okay. So for the light orange, it calls for 3 drops of orange. So I'm going to do 2 drops of red, and then 1 drop of yellow. All right, I'm going to mix that up and see if I get a light orange. All right, so I might get a little bit more red because obviously that's my dominant color there. I want to lighten that up because obviously this is my light, so I'm going to do 1 more drop of yellow. Let's do 2. All right, just to brighten that up a little bit more. And this is going to be this is for my face. Okay. That's it's not super much lighter, but it's just a different tone, so you can kind of see that here. I would probably want this, now that I'm seeing it, a little bit darker, so I'm just going to add 1 extra drop of red and 1 drop of yellow. So when you're mixing this, if it's not getting to be like a bright orange and then a light orange, just kind of play with your color, so it's a little bit more vibrant. Okay, so now I have my light orange, my bright orange, and I have my chocolate. So I have it written that you are going to be decorating with baggies because you probably have those at home. Now, if you've someone that have experimented with cake decorating, you can use piping bags. Okay, but this is going to be the easiest. All right, you can also use piping tips. All right, the round tip would be the best one for you, but the recipe is very simple that you could just use the baggie. So I only need about 2 tablespoons of chocolate frosting, which is just about a heaping spoonful. So you're going to take it like this, take this over. This is like a 2-person job. Hold your bag just like so, squeeze out, and then I have twist it, and I'm ready to go. Cut that tip right off, and then cut that tip right off, and then I'm ready to go. All right, so there's 1, and then I will grab, and then I would prep my other 2. All right, it is same exact way. When you are ready to pipe, you are just going to cut the tiniest of little holes, and then, and I can show you right on a piece of paper. Okay, so then I could pipe a straight line, just like so, and you can see how you could do that. So you would start off putting my bright orange on the base, kind of smoothing it over. Then I would take my yellow orange, light orange, make my face, and then I would, with my chocolate, make all my little face markings, all right? And then you would prep all your baggies for your lion. So I've replaced the caramel corn with just doing yellow, and you would, if you pretend this was yellow, you would take it and you would kind of do like a curl effect like that to kind of make his mane or her mane. And then your monkey, you would prep the frostings for the monkey, and then your zebra, all right? So the idea of this is have fun with it. Practice makes perfect. If you made the full 24 cupcakes, you would end up with 6 of each design, and that's how the directions are written for the frosting, all right? So have fun and enjoy. Thank you.